UAE's historic rainfall. Record-breaking weather. Record-breaking downpour hits UAE. The desert nation receives the heaviest rainfall in 75 years, transforming streets into rivers overnight. Major highways submerged, schools shut down, and daily life disrupted. This storm has tested the limits of UAE's infrastructure and emergency preparedness. Rebuilding begins as the UAE assesses the full impact. With resilience and advanced planning, the nation prepares for future storms. Follow for more updates on UAE's fight against nature's fury.